Hey guys, we're here with the local minute. We're with Randy. We're with Jake. We're down here at the Daffodil Bowling Alley. Randy just took over as the owner just recently in the last
2 months.
In the last 2 months.
The people here, the employees have been around here 10, 12 years average. A family atmosphere. When we bought it, we were like, we're selling fun.
And I can bowl right to left or left to right.
Have good food here. You've got a great arcade. You have a bar if people want to have cocktails.
Over 20 leagues here throughout the week. Rocking Bowls Friday night. Yeah. Lights go down, LEDs, lights. It's a fun time.
Sure.
Bowling's making a comeback in millennials.
And if you're a millennial, bowling's the thing to do. If you haven't been here before, get down here and check this place out. This has been
Your Local Minute.